What duties do directors owe? I mean, this is the crux of it, so we've reached the crux of it. What are the duties? Really, there are two big ones. And one is the duty of good faith, and the other is the duty of care and diligence. They're very separate, and we're going to look at cases for each of these. But I've thought forever about how to explain this to you in a way that means you really understand it, rather than having to listen to lawyers use their language to try to understand it. Of course, the law, like any field of expertise or background, tends to overly complicate things, maybe, or use a language that the average person can't understand. Some would say lawyers do that quite deliberately so that you have to go and seek their legal advice. The law would say about the first duty, it is the duty to act bona fide in the best interests of the company as a whole, or the fiduciary duty to da-da-da-da-da. In reality, my knowledge of all of these cases leads me to say to you, this is the duty to be squeaky clean. If you're on a board and you're asking yourself a question, should I vote for this, or should I do this, or is this in the best interests of the company, or am I handling this the appropriate way? The only thing you have to do is say in your head, what would a squeaky clean person do in this situation? And if you do that, basically you won't run foul of this first duty. You just won't. The second duty is interesting, the duty of care and diligence. To be very crass, in crass terms, this is the duty not to be lazy or too stupid, but we don't know how stupid you can be and still get away with it. We'll have a look at some cases there too.